Hello, trade pros and YouTube. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the most effective indicator on TradingView that I personally find, right? That I like to think is going to be the most effective. Now, I'm not a big indicator person, but I'm going to show you a tool that I had found on TradingView thanks to another trader that had developed it that is really cool, and I use it on a daily basis to trade stocks, to trade options as well, and I'm going to dive right into it. So on this chart, you may notice that there are these cloud-like wavy-like things on the chart. Now, those I'm going to explain to you in this video right after this intro. So get ready, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and notify that little bell to ring that little bell to notify you when we do go live and when we drop new videos like these on the weekends. So let's go ahead and get started with the intro, and we'll break this indicator down for you all. So as I had hinted before in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be talking about what these little wave things are here on the TradingView chart. Now, these waves are EMA clouds actually. So they are formed by combining two EMAs of different lengths, and in between they do create a cloud type formation. Now, what these are is it creates a zone of support and resistance, and they do shift in color when price transitions through them. And they're typically used like any other EMA, and I like to use them on different time frames, whether it's the daily, the intraday charts, or whatever it may be, right? So first, I'm going to show you guys how to find them on TradingView. First, we hit our indicators function tab right here, and what we're going to do is jump right into the search bar and type in EMA Cloud, and we're going to add the one by Zamboni Man. If we click Zamboni Man, right, he's got a great little thing right here. Got a lot of likes and whatnot. Check out his page. He did create these, but let's click here on the EMA Cloud and we've added another one. So this one here, when you add it, it typically looks like kind of wonky. And if you double click the cloud, you'll see what kind of styles we've got and inputs. Now, why don't we take a look at this on a different stock so you can see how weird it looks before we actually change it up. So let's look at the SPY here, and we'll go on a daily chart. And we've already got some of the clouds up, right? And that's fine. But what we want to do is add right here the function tab, and we're just going to add that EMA cloud, right? And look, this is what it looks like typically when you have it on the original settings, right? It looks pretty wonky. There's no real way to use this effectively. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the settings, and what we're going to do is first in inputs, you want to have a short and long EMA identified, right? So whatever type of EMAs you use. Now, I like the 8-9. I like the 5-12. I like the 20-25, right? I like the 34-50. So why don't we just take a look at 20 and 24 actually? And then we're going to make the leading period for EMA Cloud to 0, and we're going to go into style. And what we're going to do here is take off all of the inputs except MA Cloud. And we're just going to make it whatever color you want. So color 0 is going to be for when it's positive, right? So when price is above the cloud. So why don't we make it a different color here? Why don't we make it blue? And then color 1 is going to be for when price is below the cloud. So there we go. What we've done is here you can see it kind of thinly. This is the 2024. And you can see when price goes under it, it changes into an orange color. So I like this, especially for buying, right, investment dips, swing trade dips. So we come into the 2024 or the 3450. I really like the 3450 as a really strong key support level, and you start to see some actual volume in green price action. That is a pretty strong area to actually look to buy. Now, I really like this on the 5-minute and the 10-minute. So if we go to the 10-minute, for example, the 10-minute and the 5-minute, super interchangeable, but you can see when an asset, right, whether it's a stock or an ETF like this, is trending directionally, you can play off of the EMAs as a support resistance area to actually get your trades in. So you can see right off the open, pre-market even, you're getting a dump in the SPY, and we're well below both of our favorite EMAs, right? The 2024 and also the 3450, and that's denoted by a red 3450 and an orange 2024. So right now, when it pulls back into that 20-ish EMA, I like to look for shorts on the 10-minute. That's a great strategy. And on the 5-minute as well. I like to look for shorts in these two EMAs, right, when they're touching. And then when it flips, we're going to be looking for longs into them, right, on a 5-minute chart, 10-minute and 5-minute. Those are amazing. And then QS, same thing, right? You can look at it on a daily, or we can look at the 5-minute chart and identify, okay, well, where are the pullback areas? Now, this is only effective when you get some strength pre-market and you get some strength for the first half an hour or hour of the day, the first hour of power, and then you get that continued move. So when it pulls back into this area, you can see right here on the 5-minute chart, pulls back into that area where that 3450 EMA is, and we move up from there. So I really like these EMA clouds because you don't have to do the guesswork of what's crossing where, what's going on. It acts as support and resistance, especially for pullback areas. And it creates a zone rather than just one line. So you have an area which you're looking to get in. So for example, here, you drop below this area, the cloud's still green, but you want to see, can we move back above with some nice volume? That's when you look to enter a trade. So again, this is my favorite indicator on TradingView. It's free for all to use by Zamboni Man. I go suggest you check it out. And there's a trader, we need to shout out Ripster. He's the one who created these as well, so go check him out too. But other than that, if you guys want to learn more about this, drop a comment down below. If you guys have any suggestions for any TradingView videos, drop them down below, and we'll leave you with that. We'll see you next time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And here's George with a quick message at the end.